Well done, everybody who participated. Thank you absolutely for sending in your submissions.
We have 3 winners, and actually I'd say we have 8 winners.
Absolutely.
8 winning submissions.
Number 1, we have Mr. James from Proximo.
All right.
Well done. That was absolutely excellent. Good
I thought
job.
that was great.
So good. And I mean, the overall outcome of the product, like, honestly, I'm salivating.
Very classic.
Yeah.
It looked like a beautiful little,
Yeah.
straight
Very well
across
done. Good job.
That was a hell of a cake.
That was a
dude.
hell of a cake. Well done.
Wow.
In second place, we have Miss Lively.
To come equipped for a Christmas bake-off with your own acetate and
And the molds, too.
molds.
Like, that's dedication.
Mm-hmm.
What a picturesque, like, definition of Christmas.
And number 3.
And in third, we have Lauren and Mia.
Oh, of course, Mia.
That was.
And Lauren, of course.
I'm sorry, Lauren. She stole a bit of the spotlight. She did. But again, great collaboration.
Man, if I was that good as a 2-year-old.
Think about how much further you'd be.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Okay, honorable mentions for every single person. This is our new tradition and one that I really, really enjoy here. Beth from Inniskillen, you're getting the Inniskillen Award because throughout that entire video, Beth was just Inniskillen it. Guess what you get, Mike? You get the Mike Beller Award for the second contest in a row, man. I can't wait for somebody to come up and snatch that one from you.
Super badass kitchen.
Doesn't he?
Yeah.
And always those like supreme ingredients.
Yeah. Exactly.
Hey, Mike, when this stuff is all done here, guess who's coming over?
Yeah.
Allison, we had a couple for you, Allison. The I've Gone Vegan Award because I wanted that cake so badly.
Me too.
After I saw that. I'm waking up Christmas morning and that's what you see.
I would like to.
Who wants to be a vegan after seeing that?
Allison, that was outstanding.
Well done.
Tanya! The complete opposite. Never mind for real. This shit's ethereal. You see how light and fluffy
So
and airy
good.
and everything that Pavlova
So good.
was?
Well done.
Boom! The exact opposite of Pavlova.
Like, how fitting is this? Like, her entire kitchen is all like Christmassy spirit already.
I know, hey?
Was that planned, do you think?
Probably. Beautiful.
Good job.
Beautiful. Got Jared left. And this one was actually my favorite to come up with. My goodness.
Good job. You know what?
And
Honestly, even if this isn't his first time at a cake, obviously, like, we're not going up against professional bakers here. You guys are knocking the hell out of me. Like, this is so well done.
Are you kidding me?
Like-
I haven't seen anything that's not professional.
Like,
yet.
it's so good.
I'm gonna leave it as the Triple B Award. Anyway, thank you everybody. Merry Christmas. That was an absolute blast, and we're looking forward to the next one in the new year, 2021. Merry Christmas, everybody. Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you absolutely for sending in your submission.